Hello. This is my project for well, technically, technically it's week 10, but this is my eighth assignment. I'm just gonna show what I did. So for this week, we had to do a character animator slash creator kind of thing, just to like get a character to move around in the game and have him animate different ways and also interact with the environment. Now, I was able to do most of that. So I used a character tutorial with a knight model, which, as you can see here, this player model. I used, hold on, which one was it? It was the, excuse me, was it starter assets? No, sorry. It was this character, which I'll explain generally as I go along here, but I'm just going to show what I did. So in this little model here, I have the character, he's able to move around. He can, hold on, he can run. He can, oh, hold on, if I can get him to jump. Hold on, he's stuck in some snow. I can get the character to jump if I can just get him out of the right area here. Okay, I don't know why he's... Okay, there we go. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah, he just got caught under some snow. Yeah, so I can have the character jump. He can run. Yeah, he can run around. He can do stuff like that, and then he can also attack. I can also have the character attack. Now, I followed a general... There we go. Yeah, so I followed a tutorial on this just to have the character move around, and using the camera here to have him shift around in directions. Now, if I get him on the snow, he tends to slow down, which I'm not entirely sure why this happens. Like, I can still attack, but I can't really run or anything like that. I'd have to go back on this kind of like platform kind of thing. But that's really what I can do there. Now, I was going to try to have a interactive state where the player could hit one of these trees and it'll like fall down, but I unfortunately wasn't able to implement that, or at least have like the object get destroyed. But unfortunately, I kind of didn't have time to do that. Unfortunately, I'll probably do a resubmit of this just overall. But just to really quick give an example, just to showcase what I did here. So I had downloaded a port, or not, sorry, not a port, a Unity build with the character in here. So he had, this model set up and whatnot, and these animations. For each of these animations, it was a walk. Or wait, was this the walk? I'm not entirely sure, but okay, sorry. Yeah, so we had a charge here, the combat, the walk, and then the attack. And show you in the animator here, what I did was he went from an empty to an attack state, and for the base layer here, if I can go into parameters, was it this one? It was one of these. One second. Okay. Because I set up a whole, not sure if it was this one. Yeah, okay. Wait. Was it this? Because I had set up, I'm sorry. I'm trying to remember this. So for what I did, okay, hold on, I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, here we go. Yeah, so I put in the blend tree here with the walking and whatnot. So whenever he's doing this, he'd be walking and then running, or he's not doing that for some reason. Okay, I have to click that. Yeah, okay, so here he'll be running, and then, this would be, walk, like standard, idle, walking, and then running. And so I kind of focus on this kind of simple blend tree here with that. And then that's really what I did for there. And then in the tutorial, I have the player animator and whatnot, and then I'll show you the controller. But I also wanted us to create a variation of the attack of like the movement for the model. So I did a transform avatar player kind of what was this called? It was just a sort of like excuse me, I'm blanking on the names a bit here. It was a avatar mask. Yes. Thank you, Unity. So I did an avatar mask to have the character attack. So this is how he's able to attack in the game. And I'll just jump over the code now just to show you what else I did. So I followed the tutorial, showcased like various things you could do in here. So the movement speed, walk speed, being grounded on the plane here, which I have right here as you can see. As well as doing the general attack and, during the velocity of how fast you can move, and just following all these steps in order to have the character, continuously walk, run, idle, and jump. And I did forget to mention, I actually do an idle stance in here. I forgot to mention that. So there's that, and then this is just all the additional information for those movements animations. I also created a very simple tutorial. Help me with a simple camera controller to follow the player around and kind of rotate with using the mouse. And then I was going to use this code to have an object be destroyed for the collider for when the knight attacked the object. But unfortunately, it's not currently working right now, and I'm not entirely sure why. Excuse me. So I'm gonna try to figure that out at some point. I will probably resubmit this, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, so this was excuse me. This was my general animation thing for this week overall. I did have some general difficulty trying to get like a proper model working. I originally wanted to work with a mixable model, but I had heard from other people that you couldn't properly animate everything, so excuse me, I decided to swap to this knight character, which personally I think works a little better. I mean, I'm able to move him around in different areas. He can walk forward, he can walk backward, and all that stuff. Idle, jump, attack. He can run, which I'm happy for. I'm generally glad like he works overall. So I probably will again go back and re-edit some of these things. So there's some more stuff to do. And I'll probably figure out what's going on in the snow. If I didn't show it before, he walks very slow in the snow for some reason. I think it has something to do with just the general colliders, because like I can still attack, but I can't run or jump. So I'm going to try to figure out if there's something wrong there, just so I can have him properly move around the snow. But we'll see what happens there. But otherwise, this was my assignment for this week, and yeah. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Take care.